Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is adjectives for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Shouting means to speak in a very loud voice. Angry. He's shouting because he's angry. The basic form is be angry. She doesn't like old movies. She only likes. These are movies that are of the present time or recent times. Modern. She only likes modern movies. He likes food. This equals zesty and tangy. We also say hot food, but we don't mean temperature. We're talking about herbs. Spicy. He likes spicy food. Zesty and tangy are not in our program. They are only here. We use this adjective two ways. The first one, Bob is, means he doesn't have much money. In the second one, it means he's not a very good player. Poor. Bob's poor. Bob's a poor tennis player. Usually, though, it's the top meaning, 80%. She's only 21 years old, but she lives by herself in London. She's very mature. She knows how to take care of herself. Independent. She's very independent. We have two ways to use this adjective. The first one means Jennifer had a real problem in her life. She's very sad now. And the second one means the town is ruined, destroyed. Maybe there was an earthquake or a flood. Devastated. Jennifer is devastated. The whole town is devastated. Biology is the study of plants and living things. Bob wants to study. This word means pertaining to the ocean. The ocean is also called the sea. Marine. Bob wants to study marine biology after high school. In college. They are to help us. This means they do not want to help us. Unwilling. They are unwilling to help us. Bob is trying a approach to solve the problem. This means it's new. No one else has thought of it. Novel. Novel is an adjective here. He wrote something on the paper, but it's not. This means it's not clear. It doesn't make sense. Coherent. Bye-bye.